John has 52 meters of fencing that he is going to use at the perimeter of rectangular garden. The length of one side of the garden is x, and the area of the garden is 133 square meters. Find the dimensions of garden in meters. So we have rectangular garden. So let me draw this garden. What else? We have that length of one side of garden is x. So let's put that this is x because this is rectangular, so the other side will be also x, and these two sides are the same also. So if we have 52 meters of fencing that he will use as perimeter, so if these two sides are x and these two sides are the same, so what will be for this one side will be 52. We have from 52 we have to subtract these two sides, minus 2x we can write, and because we have two equal sides, so we have to divide this segment by 2 because we have two the same parts. The other is also 52 minus these two sides divided by 2, and we can reduce this expression. 52 minus 2x over 2, so it will be 52 divided by 2, so this is 26, and negative 2x divided by 2, so it will be minus x. So we have this side. This side is 26 minus x, and that side is also 26 minus x. So what else we have given? We have given that the area of garden is 133 square meters. So how we calculate the area? Area is width times length. The width is x in our example, and the length is 26 minus x. And we have given a is equal 133 square meters. So we can substitute a by 133. This is x times 26 minus x. We have equation with one unknown. We have 133. This is equal x times 26 is 26x. X times negative x is negative x squared. So I will move now everything to the left side. So we will start from the highest power. So we have now positive x squared will be negative 26x plus 133. This is equal 0. We have quadratic equation. We will use factoring method to solve this equation. We have to find two numbers which we multiply, and we will have 133, and when we add these numbers we will have negative 26. It will be negative 7 and negative 19. Negative 7 times negative 19, it give me positive 133, and when we add negative 7 and negative 19, it will be negative 26, coefficient before x. So everything is okay. This is equal 0, and now when the left side will be 0, when one of these factors will be 0, so x minus 7 will be 0, or x minus 19 will be 0. We got two linear equations. So x is equal negative 7 to right, so it will be 7, or x is equal negative 19 to right, so it will be 19. We found x because we have to find the dimensions of the garden in meters. So when we have one side, we have to calculate the other side. So for x equals 7, what we will have? We will have to substitute x by 7, so it will be 26 minus 7, so this is 19, and for x equals 19, we have that 26 minus 19, this is equal 7. So we got that dimensions of the garden can be, we can write 7 meters and 19 meters. This is my solution.